It's the crew, man. We back. Best duo since Kobe and Shaq. Hey, next up, we just gonna say Cash. Oh, I don't know who Glizzy is.
No, he probably Cash Game.
Lee, Izzo, Steve, Glizzy, Money. We got the little Yorkie in the drink. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Glock in the room. They got the Glock in the room. You got Glock in the room? No, we ain't. Got pins though. You ain't gotta shoot him. You could give him a tattoo. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold y'all up. We gonna dive into. Hey, shout out my nigga Coney production though. Hey, that's my dog right there. Shout out my nigga Coney. Hey, Izzo, Steve, Lee. Hey, we need them interview. Hey, come on, let's do it. Hey, Glock in the room. What's my screen record time? Shout out Discord game, playlist game, Noti game. Hey, what my? I thought you was watching that damn video again, bro. I'm about to say you fucking wild. What's my screen record time though? Hold on. 1 minute on their ass. Glock in the room. This shit better crank.
My son gon' be a gangster. He was born with Glock in the room. I'm in this bitch off 2 perks and a couple shrimp. Niggas throw a party.
That's motherfucking older. Dum.
Who the fuck made that shit crank though?
I don't know what's that song kind of little out of by 8 like niggas.
Nah, that shit
like niggas was 7, 8 years old. I can't tell
bro,
you.
what fucking? I ain't trying to say that it's not no Fat Joe. So it's some New York shit.
I know the song though, but I know the song.
Bro, that shit like that shit crank though.
That beat was crazy.
No, that Drake. Hey, find that song, bro.
Son gon' be a gangster, he was born with Glock in the room. I'm in this bitch off 2 perks and a couple shrimp. Niggas throw a party on they block, then we coming through. Don't give a fuck if I'm with Cod, then he coming too. I ain't blowing off the whip, I like to run this shit. He said he never ran, he was running too. If I can't walk the nigga down, then I'm out the roof. Taking hits, I only want it down his blue.
Moody Glizzy, man, Moody Glizzy and shit.
Oh yeah, cause we know who Moo is. We just Moody. Okay. But nah, fuck all that. Before we even go back into this joint, right? So they telling us that the last Cash Game, the Sharks video, where they had, we thought it was a whole bunch of new niggas. They said all them niggas was in members. Ain't no way. Maybe 2, but you know I know the first one by heart.
Yeah, nah, all them niggas weren't in members, bro. I don't care what y'all say, bro. Some of them was in members, not all.
But nah, shout out my nigga Moody though. We got Moody on the roster now. We know his name and shit. He Glizzy. Shout out my nigga. Alright, bet. We don't got a name for the league though. We're gonna go Steve, Moody, which is Glizzy. Okay, Steve is Izzo.
If we don't got a nickname for Moody or something, they get one.
It ain't that time yet. If I can't walk the nigga down, then I'm out the roof. Taking hits, I only wanted it down his blue. DOA, it wasn't nuts if he pulled through. Get your ass back, gold. I got pulled through. Drop shit, whole gang got right. He better not put me in no song, his whole gang got spanked. I shoot at niggas, I don't shoot up houses, that's what kids do. We spanking niggas in the town, them niggas kids do. Can't name a time them boys do a party when we slid through. FSG, Rip Mike, my niggas slid through. That nigga key, I start the striker with a charge. Just stood over him, watched the nigga my bitch barber. Shooter, I ain't coming off the bench, I'm a starter. Glizzy, bitch, I stay on that rim like I'm Carter. My new bitch ain't come with an ass, I got it larger. Cougar bitch ain't wanna let me fuck, I hit her daughter. All this paper on me, man, I could've been a author. In the field every day, you would've thought I was a farmer. I like my old stick, ass fat like Miss Parker. These niggas ain't no piss on the net, they just bark.
Hey, I was fucking with this beat, but where the fuck is my nigga Moo at? Moo ain't rapped yet.
Coming in at the end.
God damn, you get my man 2 bars and shit, bro.
My man said I'm coming in at the end.
God damn, where my nigga Moo at?
I like my old stick, ass fat like Miss Parker. These niggas ain't no piss on the net, they just bark. When I'm shoot on whips, you know my niggas love walking. Catch him in that crib, you know my niggas love stalking. They show me cash really got 9 lives. But I'm a dog, I'ma kill his ass 9 times. Niggas still scratching their heads trying to find mine. My bitch, she begging for attention, let me find time. Still making songs, this whole crew got face. We need OVO change, my whole gang got Drake. They track stars, some niggas, whole gang got chased. I ain't no rap star, bitch, I just made a dub in a day. No, I ain't fucking this shit cute and ain't got no booty. Shit, I don't think he had enough, I still want Rudy. I got a hop that troll me on the gram, but he won't. I got a 1911 with a lemon squeeze, just ain't no Ruger.
Hey, Moo, they kind of fucked your part up, keep having the background shit come in and out. Come on, man. Who did? I know Coney ain't edited this. Who the fuck edited this video? I'm finding out, my nigga. Who did this shit? Who is? Oh, bingo. Alright, I don't know who Rich Town is. You slide. You ain't do nothing. Who is this? Nady. Get this shit right, man. Come on, bro. You new around here? Who is these niggas, man? What that nigga say? Who are these niggas? Hey, listen. Next time, no fading in and out, alright? Come on, man. Get this shit right. Nah, I'm just fucking with you, but don't take it to heart, though. But look, I guess that definitely was the end of the video. God damn, short ass video. Listen, we checking out. Shout out all these niggas, right? Shout out my nigga Leak. Shout out my nigga Steve. Shout out Moody. Shout out Moo. You know what I'm saying? Glock in the room. Hey, look. We checking out. Y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you new. Follow us on Instagram and Twitter. I don't know, man. That baby face Egypt, that Drake got everybody beat right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hey, new videos on the way.
Bye. Have a great time.